Now we are discussed with the general maintenance of point and crossing. It is a geometrical illustration of track to allow movement of the train one track to another track. The turnout consists of switch assembly, lead assembly, crossing assembly. The curve connecting the turnout curve after heel of crossing and adjoining the track is called turn-in curve. Point and crossing should be laid with the 1 in 20 can. There should be no junction fish plate at stock rail joint or the heel of crossing. At least on rail on other side of the point and crossing should have the same section as the point and crossing assembly rail section. It is desirable to weld stock and lead joint on the point and crossing assembly. The use of spherical washer is necessary where the shank of the bolt is not right angles to axis of the nut of the bolt with the wave of the rail. The spherical washer are used on screw side. The spherical washer should invariably be provided on the left side in switch assembly, as the orientation of each bolt hole is made accordingly. On crossing, tapered washer are be used on both sides. Correct spacing of slipper should be ensured according the standard layout drawings. The track geometry at the turnout should not be inferior to the applicable for the route. The clearance at toe, heel of switch, at check rail and wing rail must be mentioned within the tolerance prescribed in the schedule of dimensions. The chair and fastening and all the fittings must be properly secured. Packing under the slipper must not be loose, especially under crossing and the switch. Stress should be low enough to permit efficient drainage and adequate depth of ballast cushion should be provided. In case keep is observed at such layout, the condition of elastic fittings may be examined and suitable action be taken. Where large number of point and crossing are being mentioned within yards, large layout of sidings, terminal stations, etc., regular cycle of maintenance covering all point and crossing should be organized. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for next videos.